All right, let's talk about what to watch in Europe this week. And for that, we are joined now by Antonia Oprita, a senior editor and columnist for Real Money, with us now from London. So, Antonia, we've got the Eurozone and UK manufacturing PMI for September released on Monday.
Yes, indeed. And for the Eurozone, we saw preliminary figures released last week showing 3-month high for manufacturing PMI. It came in almost 1 point higher in September at 52.6. And this, if confirmed on Monday, would be a bit of much needed good news for the Eurozone. And for the UK, after dropping dramatically to a 3-year low in July, manufacturing PMI staged a very good rebound in August, rising to a 10-month high. And investors will be keen to watch whether this rebound continues in September, because that would mean that the Brexit effect is not as bad as feared.
And moving to Thursday, the European Central Bank is out with the minutes of its latest monetary policy meeting. Is there anything we should be watching for there?
Yes, well, investors were a bit disappointed that there were no fireworks at the latest ECB monetary policy meeting, but even Mario Draghi needs a rest from time to time. However, we should be watching the minutes to see what kind of discussions there were about negative interest rates. As we can see, they are beginning to bite into European banks' profitability. So any signs that the Governing Council is beginning to get tired of negative interest rates would be a good sign for these banks.
And finally, Friday, we have the UK trade balance for August unveiled.
Yes, this investors are expecting it to show narrowing, because it's already shrank by about £1 billion to £4.5 billion in July. This was a positive effect of the Brexit vote in June, because immediately after the vote, the pound crashed by about 15% compared to other currencies. And this boosted exports while putting a sort of a lid a bit on imports. And this brought down the trade deficit, which is something that the UK benefits from if it's being narrowed, because it has quite a high trade deficit.
All right, Antonia, we will leave it there. Antonia Oprita from Real Money joining us now from London. Antonia, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Scott Gamm, and you're watching The Street.